Good morning. We are leaving Bad Gastein, but we're headed to Elizabeth's most excited place. We're going to Vienna.
I'm super stoked.
Stoked, but it's a 4-hour drive, so it's gonna be a long day.
Time.
Long day. Let's get started. Welcome to suburbs of Vienna, or hopefully. I'm not really sure where we are. We found it, Elizabeth's so excited. Do we have the key? Ladies and gentlemen, we have a key.
Welcome to Vienna! There's a tiny little bathroom. It's itty bitty. Cool window. Fun kitchen with all the stuff you need, which is awesome. And big old refrigerator. This is huge compared to the other ones that we've actually been using. Like a fun seating area and a huge loft. Love the chandelier so much. And then we have our sleeping area, which Aaron is really loving the separate comforters for each person. And then we have our shower in the bathroom. Thank God this place has an actual folder that's really helpful for Airbnb people who come to stay, because some places don't have that, and that sucks. And there's our bathroom.
Okay, so we have a plan. There was a parking garage for our hotel, Airbnb we have to stay at. We're gonna go ride city bikes. They're free for the first hour, so we're gonna go ride those into the city center.
In the middle of Vienna with crazy traffic.
Because it's a 45-minute walk from our Airbnb. So scratch that, there were no bikes at the bike
Bummer.
thing. It was empty, so we're gonna take the subway, which is also fun. So, subway time. We survived. There's lots of interesting smells in a subway. Especially when it's a hot day like this. All right, we got our Vienna passes. Unlimited transportation, museums, sightseeing, boat tours. Everything is gonna be for the next 2 days. So today's gonna be an easy day. Tomorrow's gonna be crazy.
It'll be fine.
Super excited for big city.
Not.
It's just hot. It's just really hot here.
So now we're gonna take a tour of the Royal Ring, which has all the cool stuff in it, like the opera house and the churches and the museums. They're all inside the center ring of Vienna. So we're gonna go look at it.
Let's do that. Alright, we decided to do a walking tour. Why not? The one we did in Scotland was amazing, so we'll see. that's the Danube River right there. And the tour is over and our Wi-Fi is out of batteries, so we gotta go find a place to charge it so we can figure out how to get home. Or just walk with the map, but it's like a 45-minute walk, so we gotta find the subway. All right, we gotta go. Subway ride number 2. There's Elizabeth. We're ready to be home. It's food time. That was a almost 2-hour walking tour. Very good, but my dogs are barking. Oh, welcome home. Elizabeth is washing her hands because
I feel filthy.
The subway. We're gonna eat and go to bed because it was way longer than we thought it was gonna be. We thought we were gonna go get our ticket and then get back. Ended up doing the walking tour, so it was a great day, but we're exhausted. Thanks for tuning in.
See you tomorrow.